My name is Megan Moretti, and I am presenting my senior degree project focused around meal planning ease. COVID-19 has made it necessary for me to plan out meals over the course of a week to limit trips to the grocery store. My household and I contribute to a meal planning routine that includes sharing the responsibilities of recipe discovery, grocery shopping, and cooking. Through this, I found that there wasn't a smooth collaboration in sharing the role, which led me towards creating a solution to make this process more efficient for individuals who share the role of meal planning. As I gained insights, I created my own definition of meal planning because I realized that many people have different interpretations of what meal planning means. Meal planning will be defined as planning out what meals will be made throughout the course of a period of time for yourself or individuals in your household. Initial information gathered through conversation and problem mapping helped me to more concisely define the problem, as COVID-19 has led to an increase in online grocery ordering, making meal planning more of a necessity. In households where multiple individuals share the meal planning task, there isn't a smooth way to collaborate during the process. My problem statement led to the question, how can individuals in the United States who meal plan together be more efficient by participating in a collaborative routine? My secondary research was among blogs and newspaper articles, because COVID-19's effect on meal planning is still new. I learned that 55% of shoppers eat at home more because of the pandemic. This statistic was after most lockdown orders had been lifted, and it shows how a majority of shoppers have continued to make meals at home or order takeout. After gaining insights from my initial secondary research, I focused my primary research on people's personal experiences through an in-depth survey and interviews. My survey received 573 responses. Most respondents were women in their 40s to 60s, and because of this, I also interviewed 6 different people with varying age, gender, and social demographics to gain a multitude of perspectives. After analysis, I concluded that there were no clear trends based on age or gender in regards to meal planning. In my survey findings, 88% of people said that they would continue with their new meal planning habits post-COVID. This shows that most are adaptable to change and that new habits formed due to COVID positively impacted them. I learned from the sample group that due to COVID, individuals were more purposeful with planning out what meals to make. They saw eating at home save them money, and they had more time to be creative with new recipes. My data led me to identifying a habit trait-focused target audience of individuals over 18, live with others, are adaptable to change, and have an interest in cooking. Working towards my design solution, I focused on 3 pain points that were concluded in my survey and interviews. The first is recipe discovery. Individuals said that this takes up most of their time and that they struggle to cycle in new recipes to their plan. Second is difficulty collaborating with others in their household. During the process, there is often a disconnect with those involved in meal planning. Lastly, a lack of motivation tends to hold people back from a consistent routine. Based on this, I decided the best solution was Picnic, a social app that provides individuals with a collaborative space dedicated to meal planning. Picnic is designed to embrace collaboration in the meal planning process while also assisting with recipe discovery. Going on a picnic requires preparation and a joint effort to pull off an easy, carefree meal, which is why the app is called Picnic. The main functionality of the app is the calendar meal plan. Users can share their meal plan calendars with collaborators in their household, which would allow for a shared and consolidated space dedicated to planning out meals. The My Plan page is the user's profile, where they can both view their calendar as well as the recipes they have saved. Within saved recipes, there's a space for favorites, as well as creating personalized categories to help users organize recipes in a way that makes sense to them. Users can choose from 4 different meal types: recipe, dine out, leftovers, and custom, to add to their meal plan within the calendar. From my research, I learned that the majority of people choose to plan out meals they cook, as well as take out meals and meals that consist of leftovers to ease into a plan throughout the week. To ensure that the entire meal planning process can be done in-app, Picnic allows the users to choose from all of these options. On the meal feed page, users are able to engage among a social feed to discover recipes from reliable food creators, as well as be inspired by recipes friends are saving to their recipe box or adding to their meal plans. When a recipe is opened, users can slide through multiple images and videos that have been uploaded by the creator and view the recipe directly in-app. Within the ingredients section, users can choose to add ingredients to their shared grocery list. The discovery page is an easy way for users to search for certain types of recipes to save and add to the meal plan, as well as find new creators and friends. The last page is a shared grocery list that is linked to the user's calendar. If items are added through a recipe, then a thumbnail of the recipe can be seen next to the item, which can be clicked on and take the user directly to that recipe. Users can also use this space to type out additional items to add to the list, as well as check off ingredients while grocery shopping. In the ideation and development phase of Picnic's UX design, I had 3 individuals test out functionality of the app through wireframing. Once I made the needed adjustments, I solidified the UI design and had 2 additional individuals from my target audience test out the app through observational testing. In these sessions, I concluded that the functionality of the app was intuitive and was successful in achieving its purpose. Here's a quote from one of the participants in the second testing session. "Using Picnic would be very beneficial to me and my family of 4 for meal planning and grocery shopping. I think it would save me a lot of time. Picnic combines the best features of some apps I already use with additional features that would make it extremely useful in my daily meal planning routine." Although Picnic was successful for meal planning ease and efficiency, a few suggestions were made that will be considered in the next phase of ideation. Picnic has similarities to other social media apps, which help participants get familiar with the app. However, to help introduce users to Picnic, participants did suggest an initial onboarding walkthrough. The other areas for further exploration fell under the grocery list. The first suggestion was a user-specific, predictive function that auto-populates frequently bought items that can be added to the grocery list in just one tap. The second suggestion is an organization feature within the grocery function that would allow users to organize their list by food type, such as veggies, meat, fruit, etc., to help assist them when grocery shopping. Overall, my design solution, Picnic, will provide individuals with a collaborative space dedicated to meal planning. The app helps push towards creating a routine that motivates individuals to make an organized plan with those in their household, which can then lead to a more efficient meal planning process. I invite you to explore Picnic for yourself by viewing the link attached below.